breakfast is going to be a banana, so nothing too groundbreaking there. Where it gets more interesting is lunchtime. So tonight I whipped up for dinner this satay chicken. It's basically just a really simple satay marinade and some skinless chicken breasts, and we popped it in the oven with some lemon, garlic and some salt and pepper, and we just roasted it in the oven, and it is delicious. And we do have a lovely portion here which is perfect for lunch, accompanied with some roasted cauliflower that I also prepared tonight. We have and I'm going to make some cucumber salad, which is basically just going to be lettuce, parsley, a bit of onion, and in fact I don't think I'm going to have onion because last time it laid a bit heavy on me, so I think I'm just going to have some greens. And speaking of greens, I also have, this is the leftovers, and I thought they would be perfect just to have alongside. So I have my bento box, and I'm just going to do this really slapdash, if I'm completely honest. So I'm going to wash a couple of leaves of this lettuce. Just going to pop them in the bottom alongside my salad greens, which is basically a combination of broccoli, peas, edamame and green beans. So it's nothing too groundbreaking, but I don't want to waste them, so I'm going to eat them for sure. And then alongside that, I'm also going to pop in here my cauliflower, but I'm going to pop the cauliflower in with the chicken because it's actually a really similar seasoning that I used. And then I'm just going to spoon out the chicken. I would put all the sauce in as well, but I think that's going to be a little bit messy, so I'm just going to pop some in here, and I'll drizzle a little bit on the top, but I don't really need too much because there's plenty of marinade on here anyway. And I'm just going to slice some cucumber as well. And this will be a really low calorie lunch. Apart from the satay marinade, you know, this is not that calorific at all, but you know, feel free to make your own marinades. This is just basically a ton of leftovers from the other night, and all I'm going to do as well is pop a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And this is what my lunchbox looks like. So we have this gorgeous green salad here, my satay chicken and my roasted cauliflower, and that's all going to go in the fridge for tomorrow. Of course, I also have my Coke Zero, and I am going to take a bag of quavers, but to be transparent, I'll be very surprised if I eat them, just because this is quite a hefty amount of lunch for me. So I'll take them just in case I fancy them, but I am likely to bring these home just because that is a big portion of salad, veg and chicken, and if I'm honest, I probably will eat the quavers as well. But I am going to take them just in case because, you know, I'd rather have them than not have them and then be quite hungry. So I'm just going to pack all of this into my little lunchbox, which you'll be surprised, this lunch bag actually does fit this bento box in the right way, because at first I was like, oh, it's not going to fit. After I bought it, I kind of thought, oh no, my bento box isn't going to fit in unless I put it sideways, whereas actually it does fit in. Yeah, fits in really nicely. So I pop my Coke in the top. I also have my quavers in case I want them, and my all important banana as well.
My heart is yours. Thank you.
as you can tell, this is a what I eat in a day video. I was actually at the office today, as you've seen, and it's been a scrummy day so far. As you saw, I had a banana for breakfast. I nipped into Gale's for a meeting, and we had, because it was my birthday and I have the app, you get a free pastry or a free sweet treat, and my friend and I just shared that. So that's quite low in calorie value because I think it's about 300 calories, but we had half and I had the smaller half, I'd say. Then for lunch I had my salad and my chicken that you saw me prepare last night, and now I am well and truly starving. I've just got home. Well, I got home about an hour ago, but me and Andy lay on the couch and I had a little bit of a sleepy nap. But what he did do for me before he came to pick me up from work was he started seasoning my steak. So this is just one of those Marks and Spencer's sirloin steaks, and he's just basically popped that in with some salt and pepper, olive oil, garlic and some steak seasoning, and I'm just going to fry that off in a moment. I nipped into Marks's because I wanted to pick up some accompaniment, so I got this cheesy garlic bread because I just fancied something a bit carby considering that my calories have been quite low today so far. I got the chips that I'm going to have, so this is the chips that I normally buy. They're just the frites, and again very low in calorie value, and I love them. And for me, you can't really have steak without mushroom, so some garlic, salt and pepper, olive oil, and just kind of air fry it until it's nice and squishy and delicious. I also picked up some fruit. Obviously I'm not having those for now, but I might actually nibble on some grapes while I cook because honestly I'm absolutely starving. And you really cannot beat M&S grapes. They are the one. So anyway, I'm just going to get started. I don't really like it. Now, so the plan after I had that lovely steak dinner was to also have some cake in the evening because I made a Victoria sponge because my sister was visiting from the Emirates, and the plan was to have a brew and some cake, and because it was left over basically from when I made the full cake earlier in the week, and I just didn't get round to it. I don't know what happened. I think I was just like putting washing away, showering, and like sorting myself out for the next day, and also like getting the kids bathed and ready for bed and all of that good stuff, that I didn't end up having it. And then by the time I sat down I thought, you know what, it's a little bit late now, it'll lie a bit heavy, so apart from a bit of fruit I just called it a day there. But the steak was delicious, everything was really lovely, and to be honest with you, because I went to Gale's earlier in the day, I kind of felt like I'd had a bit of a sweet treat. Like I didn't feel like I was missing out on anything, and it was just a really delicious day. I am thinking about filming another What I Eat in a Day on Saturday, and then I've got one more week in work, and then I have 2 weeks where I'm only in the office for 2 days on each of those weeks. So I have like 3 days off in a block and then 3 days off in a block the week after. So I'm planning to do a weekly vlog over one of the weeks. I'm not quite sure which one yet, but I'm really excited because I haven't filmed a vlog since early June, which is a long time, but I'm really excited about it. And then hopefully I'm also planning to get a favourites video up at some point soon, because there's lots that I've been loving recently and I haven't done a favourites video again in a couple of months, and there's lots that I wanted to talk about from home, beauty, fashion, and also snacks and things like that, and foodie bits. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy it. So stay tuned, give it a like, leave a comment if you can, and I'll make sure to reply, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!